In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bass boost in CapCut. Whether you're looking to give your audio a richer, deeper sound, or simply want to add that extra punch to your project, applying a bass boost can really elevate your final product. CapCut makes this process straightforward and fun, even if you're new to audio editing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create that bass-heavy effect, tweak it to your liking, and ensure your audio sounds professional and balanced. Now, if you haven't tried CapCut yet, it's a free and powerful video editing tool. You can find a link in the description to download it and get started today. All right, let's dive in. First, you'll want to click on your audio track in the timeline to select it. This is a crucial step because selecting the track ensures that any edits or effects you apply will specifically target the right audio segment. Without selecting the track, you might accidentally apply changes to the wrong part of your project, so make sure it's highlighted before moving on. Once your track is selected, take a look at the right side panel in the CapCut interface. This is where all your audio editing tools are located. If you don't see the options immediately, don't worry. The panel might be minimized or hidden. In that case, simply expand it or scroll through the available tabs until you locate what you need. Next, click on the Voice Changer tab. This is where all the fun begins. The Voice Changer tab contains a variety of preset audio effects you can use to alter your sound. If you're having trouble finding it, take a moment to scroll or explore the panel further. It's definitely there, so don't give up. Once you're in the Voice Changer tab, select the Deep Voice filter from the list of presets. This particular filter emphasizes low frequencies, creating that signature bass-boosted effect. Essentially, it enhances the deeper tones in your audio, which can make your sound feel fuller and more dynamic. It's an excellent choice if you're aiming for that rich bass-heavy vibe. After selecting the filter, it's time to preview your audio. Play a section of your timeline to hear how the Deep Voice filter has transformed your track. Pay close attention to how the bass frequencies sound. Is it deep enough for your liking? Does it match the tone you're aiming for? This quick listen will help you decide if any additional adjustments are needed. If the bass effect isn't quite as strong as you'd like, here's a great trick to amplify it. Duplicate your audio track. To do this, right-click on the audio track and select Duplicate. Alternatively, depending on your version of CapCut, there may be a shortcut available to duplicate your track. So feel free to use that if it's faster for you. By stacking identical audio tracks, you're essentially layering the sound, which naturally boosts the bass and makes it more pronounced. However, duplicating your track can sometimes make the audio feel too intense or muddy. If that happens, don't worry. You can easily fix it by adjusting the volume of one of the duplicated tracks. Lowering the volume of one layer helps to balance the overall sound, ensuring that the bass boost remains impactful but still clear and professional. Take a moment to tweak the levels until you find the sweet spot. Finally, preview your final result. Play back your timeline and listen carefully to the audio. Does the bass boost sound just right? Does it enhance your project without overpowering it? This final check is essential to ensure your audio is polished and ready for the next step in your editing process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully applied a bass boost to your audio in CapCut. You've learned how to use the Deep Voice filter, enhance the effect by duplicating your track, and balance the sound for clarity. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.